Kung pag unconscious, you have to put support, paano support, lagay ka na ng pillow dito. But make sure merong ganito, ha? Sa ibabaw. Kasi ganyan. So, syempre, iba yung hindi ka gaganyan, ha?
Iba yung another facing.
Tuwa-tuwa si Robin and Ma'am.
Pwede mong gawing paganyan, paganyan, or kung tinatamad ka, walang tip,
diretso, depende.
Yes! Yes!
Pag nag-test na kayo, daw sabi niyo pag walang tip, ha?
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, hanggang singit lang, pagtaas. Parang sa kilikili. So, that is your wash. Rinse naman, same procedure. Paganyan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Dirtiest to cleanest. Wala tayong dirtiest to cleanest.
Sabi ko, away to towards the body.
Yes. Towards the body. Yes.
Kahit anong side mo na.
Kahit anong side ang mauna. Yes, kahit anong side mauna. Basta distant to proximal. And then, remove this one para hindi ka mahirapang i-dry.
Bibigyan ko kayo ng espada ni Jen dalawa.
Okay? But you have to clean the paa first, okay? Kasi may towel.
Niremove na yun.
Niremove ko na. Ito na nga. Nasok na. So, clean. Wash. In between then, syempre in between, wash, and then rinse, wash, rinse tayo.
Isang ano na lang, wala nang stroke.
Yes, wala nang stroke kasi paan lang naman yan. And then, you have to dry. Okay? So, remove this one, go to another same procedure. After that, ano susunod? No! Back!
Nagmamadali ka kasi.
Okay, back and bottom. Kung nakita mo ng sobrang itim ng water, you have to change. Kung nakita mo ng sobrang dumi ng towel, you have to change. Kung nakita mo na mabula, you have to change. Change as often, as much as you can. Okay, as often, tama ba? So, how you will assist your patient on the side lying position. So, instruct kung kaya mag-side. Okay, you side yourself, sir. Okay. Okay. Take this one. Okay. Place ang haba ng towel natin. Siyempre, always place a towel sa baba. Sa working area. Para hindi siya mababasa yung bed. Okay? So, ganyan. So, wash, rinse, and dry. Wash it. One stroke. Ay! Tubig! Ay!
Ito talaga si Tin eh.
Okay, that is the wash. Only hanggang sa likod lang. Botox, mag-wait ka lang. Okay? Wash. Rinse. Walang pwede.